Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the low flow cutoff valve of your Coriolis device. So your first step is to press the down arrow until you see the word Configuration on your screen. Then you can press E, and you will be prompted for a password. The stock password for all Coriolis devices is all zeros, so you can just press E to confirm the current password. Now you should be looking at the Configuration menu, so you should see the words Flow Configuration on your screen. Next, you can press E to enter the submenu, then the down arrow until you see the words Low Flow Cutoff on your screen. Now you can press E to start editing the low flow cutoff valve. Please note that we recommend that you keep your low flow cutoff at least 2% of your device's maximum flow. For the sake of this video, I'll be setting my low flow cutoff to 1250. You can change the flashing value in increments of 1 by pressing the down arrow until you reach your desired number, and then you can move the flashing value to the right by 1 by pressing the right arrow. Once you have your desired value for your low flow cutoff parameter, you can press E and the device will ask you if you want to save the value. You can once again press the right arrow to move the flashing value to the Y, then once again press E to confirm your changes. Once you've confirmed your low flow cutoff valve, you can press the right arrow until you return to the original screen which displayed the flow. This concludes this video on changing the low flow cutoff valve of your Coriolis device. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact us at the following.